Welcome back. In this session, I'll talk in detail about product vision and product strategy. I shall also spend time talking about how product vision and product strategy connects to product roadmap. Here is the definition that I had formulated for a product roadmap. The product roadmap is a plan of action that outlines a series of tactical steps to execute the product strategy, pushing the product ahead in the trajectory of planned direction in alignment with the product vision while accomplishing short term and long term product objectives. Let me not go deep into the definition of a product roadmap. Instead, let me take a step back and start analyzing the subcomponents, that is, product vision, product objectives, and product strategy. First, let me ask you this question. How often do you consciously think about alignment to product vision while adding features to the product? Every product is conceptualized with a strong vision. However, product managers get busy conceiving features that should be added to the product and they slowly lose sight of the fundamental foundation upon which the product is built. Eventually, what happens is that the product will lose its purpose. Without purpose, the product loses its unique identity. It sooner becomes one among many other products. I believe we both of us now have a fundamental understanding of the importance of continuously aligning the product to its vision. Now, let me focus on what constitutes a product vision. Product vision is the foundation of any product and it will always define the why. It defines the true purpose of the product, why it exists, and it defines the direction for the product. At a fundamental level, product vision comprises two elements, product purpose and product objectives. Product purpose outlines what is the reason for the existence of the organization, what are its core beliefs, and what is the future that the organization intends to create. Product purpose, also called as product principles, aid in making better product decisions. We're always at the crossroads of making important product decisions. Have you ever hit a scenario where every rule in your rule book fails you and you could not make a decision? In such a scenario, product principles will come to your rescue. Rightly so, the product vision will guide every decision making related to the product. How sales should sell the product, how engineers should build and evolve the product, how marketing should promote the product, and how product manager should draft the product strategy. One of the classic examples of product principles are Amazon 14 principles and Toyota Way. On the other hand, product objectives outline how does product capture value? That is, what tangible goals would the product accomplish? Product objectives are moving targets and it varies with the changes in organizational goals and in accordance with the positioning of the product in its adoption cycle. Did you ever take a look at the vision statement of your organization or rather great companies like Apple, Google, Toyota? Aren't the products that those companies build is a testimonial to their beliefs? Let us look at the vision statement of Apple as mentioned by Tim Cook. We believe that we are on the face of the earth to make great products. We believe in the simple, not the complex. We believe in saying no to thousands of products so that we can really focus on the few that are truly important and meaningful to us. Aren't the products that Apple created, like iPhone, iWatch, MacBook Pro, truly great products with the epitome of simplicity written all over it? Aren't those products reflect the core beliefs of Apple? Beliefs is what makes every organization unique. Imagine you design amazing cards at Toyota. I bet you cannot use the same principles to design a car at BMW. What makes each organization unique is their beliefs outlined by their vision statement, and the products that you create should be a reflection of your organizational beliefs. So when you're building or evolving a product, ensure that the product reflects the beliefs of your organization. Let me now move on to product strategy. Product strategy outlines the path to accomplishing product objectives within the boundaries of product purpose. Product strategy could comprise of introducing new products, altering existing products, targeting new market segments, or launching new market campaigns. Part of the strategy that is related to evolving an existing product or introducing new product is executed by product roadmap. By now, I believe you should have got a fair understanding of why I formulated the below definition of a product roadmap and how it is connected to product vision, product objectives, and product strategy. How do we build a product roadmap? Always build the product roadmap on the foundation of product vision and product strategy. As part of product vision, identify what is your product purpose and product objectives. While product objectives will define goals, product purpose will define a framework for decision making. Product strategy will later define the path to accomplishing product objectives, and finally, the product roadmap will provide a series of tactical steps to execute the product strategy. Whenever there is a change in the product objectives, product strategy will undergo change, and accordingly, product roadmap will change as well. A bit more details into how product roadmap will accomplish product objectives. Product objectives are split into sub-goals, and each release accomplishes at least one sub-goal. For a period of time, subsequent releases will eventually accomplish all the goals and thereby the product objectives as well. Any change in product objectives will bring in a change in the sub-goals, and eventually the changes will occur in the direction and content of the product roadmap too. If you haven't got a complete picture yet, I don't blame you. Please sit tight. I'll visit more about this topic in detail in later sections. See you in the next section to talk about the process of creating an effective product backlog. Thank you. See you soon.